Hey guys, I'm Suds. I've come with an interesting topic that are stem cells. So before starting, hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. We all know that our human body is made up of organs such as bones, muscles, brain, heart, and reproductive organs. So the basic cells that give rise to all different cells in these organs are what we call as the stem cells. The stem cells are those cells that have a potential to develop into many different type of cells in the body. Stem cells have a short lifespan, so they are constantly produced by the bone marrow. One such type of stem cell is an egg cell in females which fertilizes with sperm from a male. After fertilization, a cell called a zygote is formed. And the zygote is the first cell in the developing human being. The zygote is also known as the totipotent stem cell because it can develop into any type of cell in the body of an organism. The stem cells are also found in the umbilical cord that joins a baby to its mother's placenta. After the zygote develops by dividing few times, it turns out to be a blastocyst or blastula, which is an early stage embryo. The early stem cells, like pre-nerve cells, pre-epithelial cells with pre-muscle and connective tissue cells, and pre-internal organ cells, will be developed. These early stem cells are called embryonic stem cells and they come from blastula. These embryonic stem cells are pluripotent. That means they can turn into any type of cells in the body. The embryonic stem cells can be taken out from the umbilical cords of newborn babies or even from leftover embryos that are created during in vitro fertilization technique. When body has fully formed, some parts such as bones, muscles and brain continue to make replacement cells in their respective organs, and these are called as the adult stem cells, and they are multipotent. The hemopoietic stem cells are mainly found in the bone marrow, and these can develop into red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, and platelets that constitute the blood. In the laboratory, the scientist can create an induced pluripotent stem cells by using the regular cells such as skin cells. So, the pluripotent stem cell can form any type of cell just like the embryonic stem cell. The scientists did this research and observed how and why these stem cells turn into many other different type of cells, so that in the future these cells could build and regenerate tissues or organs that are malfunctioning or damaged. Now let us see about an interesting topic, that is the stem cell therapy. The stem cell therapy is a treatment or a procedure which uses the stem cells to treat the various disorders. At present, the stem cell therapy is used to treat leukemia or any other blood cancer. If we consider a condition in leukemia, the bone marrow makes many kinds of abnormal white blood corpuscles that cannot fight the disease. So, these abnormal white blood corpuscles will proliferate more and more by forming tumors. As I said earlier, there are hemopoietic stem cells, and these cells can be transplanted by taking the blood from the patient, or even the cells from placenta and umbilical cord can be used. They contain the hemopoietic stem cells. At first, the patients are given with chemotherapy drugs or any other techniques can be used to kill the abnormal white blood corpuscles. Once they disappear, they are provided with the hemopoietic stem cells from the blood samples into the patient's bloodstream. The new healthy hemopoietic stem cells will make new blood cells and white blood cells, which now can undergo phagocytosis and kill the disease. Now let us see some of the interesting facts to be known about stem cells. The scientists are using stem cells to better understand and treat the Parkinson's disease. If the stem cells are to be preserved, then they should be carefully controlled at very low temperatures such as -80 degrees Celsius. The embryonic stem cells are most versatile in terms of its potential therapeutic uses. In cloning, the embryonic stem cells are extracted and inserted in an egg cell from which the nucleus has been removed. The human embryonic stem cells come from the embryos of 4 to 5 days old. Some of the stem cell therapies has been carried out through proper clinical trials such as leukemia. These stem cells are potentially useful for gene therapies because they have the ability to self-renew. So these stem cells can bring a betterment in the future for mankind. So guys, these were some of the basic concepts that you should know about stem cells. So we learnt what are stem cells, its types, and how does it play a role in treating diseases like leukemia, and we also learnt about the stem cell therapy and some of the interesting facts on stem cells. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.